Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. You may notice I'm not in a live show with a tie on, and the very good reason for that is it's a golden day of scalp trading, so I'm extremely aggressive with scalp trading this afternoon. I'm doing trades all over the place, taking profits left, right, and center. It's a perfect day today. Let me share with you exactly what I'm doing and where we are. But I will tell you, we've reached new all-time highs again today. We did that this morning, and we've done it again now. So Robinhood, first of all, I bought at the bottom here this morning. I ended up buying. Let me just share on the screen here. I bought right down the bottom here. And it's been rising ever since. So we're up nearly 3% on that position this morning. So I tripled my position. I only had, I think, 20 shares. Now I've got 65. And I've got a stop trail loss running right now. So we are setting a stop trail loss, making that all the way up. Now, if we get to quarter to 3 and we've not sold it, I will manually sell it. The closer we get, the more likely I'm going to stop that and sell it directly. But that's great. Made a nice 1.95% profit on that. Let's go over to my live positions here. And you can see exactly what I've done here as well. We've got the Roth IRA is a new all-time high again today because I've taken profits from Virgin Galactic, taken profits from Robinhood, sold my Lucid. It popped up, then there's no volume, no one's buying it. So I sold it at the top and then it dropped down 4%, and now I'm looking for another entry point. There's my Roth. If you look at that, that's an all-time high. So is my main account. You can see how much money I've got now. Look, in my buying power. I'm bringing money back in again. Oh, that's a bit slow. That's unusual. Try that again. There you go. That's better. Nearly $3,000 now available in cash. Always make sure that you've got these more and more money all the time so you can buy the dips. There you go. This morning, our all-time record was 52,400, up from 200 yesterday. On Friday, and we're now at 428. But we're making some money. We're about to get some more sales in the next few minutes. So looking really good. Looking really, really good. Couldn't be better, actually. It's very exciting. So let's go through all my positions. There's my overall position there. The S&P, a little bit this morning dipped. We're soon going to be in a position where we can start doubling up the sizes of our scalp trades. I normally do like 50 to 100, depending on the value of the stock, the penny stocks, the sort of $5 and downwards, But things like S&P, I tend to do it with two or three shares, and then sell 2 and keep 1. That's kind of how I do it. But we're going to start doubling that up soon because our profits are going up. So Virgin Galactic. Not much to talk about the day. I don't know if they released. They got to 50,000 feet and then nothing. Came back down again. I don't know if she released or not. I've no idea, but we'll hopefully find out soon. The stock is not really doing that great deal considering it flew today. So I scalped it on Friday. I'm not buying it again until it goes down to 3 again. I've got my long-term position, but I think it's still very risky at the moment. Virgin Orbit, that is now barcoding. This is now barcoding. Many of you asked me about what barcoding is. That is barcoding. Sometimes people go, let me find something that looks like barcoding. People describe it as barcoding. It's not like that. They'll say Apple, that's barcode. I mean, obviously Apple isn't never going to barcode, but that up and down, that is not barcoding. That is barcoding. Looks just like a barcode, right? It's very easy to mistake it. Okay, Tesla went down a bit today. I'm not selling anymore now. I'm buying, and it didn't go low enough for me to buy, so I'm just holding my 8 shares I scalped last week. Lucid, so I sold it here. I bought it here, sold it here. It went down to here, but that's not low enough. I feel it's going to bounce again off this point. It doesn't like it. It's getting some resistance here. Look, institutions aren't buying it. The big money isn't coming in. There's not enough volume. The company, the reason why I scalped it today, I made a video about it, was there are more and more used cars piling up on the lots, not getting sold. So they can't sell the new ones, they can't sell the used ones, and they're losing money when they do sell them. So no matter how good it is, I'm not a fan of a stock. I'm a fan of making money and giving you my honest, and my audience. I'm a fan of you. So I care about that. I don't care about the stock. I just care about making money and delivering you the real news. So the fact of the matter is, I know I'll take a lot of hate for this. People will go, oh, it's the best company in the world and all this kind of stuff. And I don't care about that. I just care about making money. So this isn't great. I expect it to go down. And remember, my aim is to consistently make money. I'd rather sell something for 1% profit and then miss out on a 50% profit that may or may not happen, rather than lose money. If you make money consistently and don't lose money, you'll always do better than someone who tries to go for big trades and win some and lose some. You ultimately probably lose. But if you consistently make profits and can grow your portfolio, so in the end you can start doing $100,000 trades and making 1%, it speaks for itself, right? So there you go. Lucid, I'm out of it now. I sold it at the top here today, and it came down. I could have bought it here, but I see it going back down here tomorrow. So I'll buy it there. Not buying it till it does. Apple, just holding my position, up 13% now. Amazon, I'm up 2.35 now, holding my position. McDonald's, I want to buy it at 10%. I still want to buy McDonald's, but it's too expensive. Coca-Cola, I'm up 5% on my Roth and 5% on my brokerage account, holding that. J&J, I'm up 3% now on my Roth, looking really, really good. On my brokerage account, we've got 2 positions there now. Now, we are doing J&J earnings in the morning. Join me early in the morning. There you go. My Roth and my brokerage now are both making money. $5,500 in J&J, both making money now. And, of course, the dividends as well. So I'm holding that. That's going nowhere. Google. Now, Google today, I bought at the bottom, sold at the top there. It came down. So I only made $5 on it. It wasn't very much at all with the amount I bought, but $5 is part of my $200 a day. That's my target, $200 every day, and lose nothing. That's the most important thing, lose nothing. So I'm waiting for it to go back down again. Okay, if it doesn't go back down, I've got my main position, a much smaller position over here, and I'm up 19%. It's overpriced at the moment. Microsoft, up 19% now. I'd like to buy some more. Walmart, I want it when it comes down 10%. Tesco, it's got to be $6 before I buy it. Next Era Energy, great. I'm up now 2.63 with a dividend. Enphase Energy, I bought it here on Friday, sold it here today. I already had it last week. I made 24% profit, sold it up here, make $43 bucks, 24% profit. Sold it here, and now it trailed down. I'm not, and that's in my Roth position. Remember, I can trade for free, tax-free on my Roth position. So there you go. I'm out of the stock. I only had one in my Roth, and I made $43 on it, on that one stock. Okay, my main position now is nearly at a wash, so that's good. We'll look for a pullback, and we'll do it again. BTC down 1.52. Tilray Brands, it's down 2% overall, up 5.49. I'm not selling it yet. Robinhood, now then, we've got a stop trail order running on this one. Look, stop trail order. It's running and it's pumping all the way up. We're going to sell it in a minute. If it doesn't sell by itself, it's got to drop 5 cents. Let me refresh the screen so you can see what it's going to drop to. It's got to drop 5 cents and then it will sell. And I will sell half my position in Robinhood. And then I can buy, using the profits, buy it back tomorrow at a lower price. I'm sure of that. Okay, here we go. So it's going to sell It looks like it has. No, that's my brokerage position. That's my brokerage position. I thought, flipping egg, it's sold. Okay, let me have a look. Okay, right, here we go. So, I've got an order to buy, and I've got an order to sell. We're going to sell 30 shares, and we're going to start doubling this up soon, 100, 200, 500, and 1,000. That's where we're going. That's what the portfolio is going into. So, we need to get to 984. 984. It will sell at 984. So at 988 now. So we're making money. We're up 2% on it today. It's only a small position. It's 65 shares, $640. I'm going to sell half of it as soon as it drops to 984. Hopefully it'll keep running. But if it gets to 2:45, that's my strategy, 15 minutes for the bell. That's my golden ticket. I will cancel the order and sell it for where it is. I won't wait any longer, and I will take 2% from Robinhood today. The idea is $200 a day consistently without any losses. Would like to see Hood break, but stops in to make sure some profits. Indeed, I got SL'd. Sammy, what is SL'd? What is SL'd at 342? Can you rephrase that for me, please? Nice, Ed. I sniped. Was that scalped or sniped? I'm not sure what that means. SFRX at VWAP. Thank you, Sammy. Excellent stuff indeed. Guten Tag. Do you mean Guten Tag? I have to translate everybody here. Hassan L, good afternoon to you. Ich kann nicht sprechen Sie Deutsch sehr gut. Mein Name ist Martyn Lucas von England. Guten Abend, guten Tag to you. I think that's what he's saying. I'm not quite sure, 100%. Anyway, tempted again. I'm not doing anything right now. I'm just letting it run. Tilray, Mr. Lucas. Here he is, our gold member. Here he is on the screen, Mohammed Kahin. How are you doing? I have managed to get to all-time highs today. Mohammed, you'll be proud of me. Look at this. All-time high on, without adding any money. All-time high on my brokerage. All-time high on my Roth IRA. All-time high overall, 52,444. I've added no money. I've scalp traded Lucid today, Robinhood today, Virgin Galactic today, and looking good. So we're making money from money. That's the only way to do it. Right, so Robinhood will sell in 3 cents. Back to it right now. Tilray, looking good. Tilray, yep, up 4.85. But I'm not selling it yet. Now then. Let me update everybody this afternoon. We're giving away a $1,000 value prize. $1,000 prize value. 100 in cash. And we're giving you 15 hours of one-on-one training with Ed Nevius. Ed Nevius is in the channel today. Does great scalp trading. He'll teach you all about reading charts, candles, all the rest of it. It's free to enter, free for all. You only need one ticket to win. Here is the link to it. There you go. There's the link to the giveaway. Let me share with you the giveaway. Here it is. You only need one ticket to win, but we give you 1,021 tickets have now gone. Every day we give you more chances to win. And all the information is there, 1,022, going up all the time, but you only need one to win. Scroll down. If if these are numbers, not ticks, then you've got more chance to win. All right. So claim your tickets. We add new things all the time, so you can take part. All right. The date of the event is there. The video for information is there. It's all there for you. And good luck to everyone. You only need one ticket to win, but we're giving you more every day. Right, it is Dutch. What is Dutch? It is Dutch. Guten Tag. Hassan, are you from the Netherlands? Are you from the Netherlands? Hang on a minute then. Let me do something for you. Okay, we've got guests from the Netherlands today. Here we go. Let me change this for you. Let's welcome our Dutch friends. Very, very important to welcome our guests around the world. We go out in 13 languages now. So let's do that. Welcome all our friends from around the world. Hassan, especially you from the Netherlands. Welcome to the show.
Welkom al onze vrienden van over de hele wereld. Hassan, vooral jij uit Nederland, welkom bij de show.
Sammy, congratulations to you. Ed Nevius loves it. Very good indeed. All right, let's back to Robinhood. We are about to do a manual trade if it doesn't go here. So we are up today 2.11. We're taking profits in a minute, but we'll manually shut it down if we get another 10 minutes in. So all I'm going to wait another 10 minutes and then I will manually do it because I don't want to be in on the close. I want to be out. And we're rising or on a stop trail loss at the moment. This is very, very good. Here we go. There's my overall position. There is my Roth position. And we're nearly at 40. So we're nearly I think $150 today I've made. If I can get this trade done, I'll be up 150. So I'll be 3/4 of my target done. So hopefully we'll get there. Well, we will get there. There's no doubt about it. It depends how well we do on it. We could do better on it. But we'll definitely get there.
Welkom al onze vrienden van over de hele wereld. Hassan, vooral jij uit Nederland, welkom bij de show.
Okay. If you've just tuned in this afternoon, welcome to all of you. If you could subscribe and ring the bell, that would be great. And as always, tap the like button. Makes heck of a difference. Smash the like button. We've got 28 watching, 16 likes. Smash the like button. Really helps the channel grow. We're 989 now. Just a few minutes to go, and we will take some profit from Robinhood. Okay, looking good there. The S&P looking good. I'm up. That's the highest I've ever been now on the S&P. It's now up 6.8%. That's the highest I've ever been. I'm not selling. I know 22 will say, why don't you take a profit? Now, I'm not wearing a shirt. I'm not wearing a tie and jacket because I'm scalp trading today aggressively over and over again. So that's how you know I'm scalp trading. If I'm doing it aggressively, that is. I'm always trading, but today has been, excuse me, pretty intense. Virgin Galactic up and down. Barcoding, Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla, Lucid. Back where I sold it now. Could have done it again, but this wasn't enough. From there, 2.46 to there, 2%. Honestly, I still think it's got a long way to go. Now, somebody will say, well, what if it goes up? I don't care. I don't care. It doesn't matter if it goes up. My money's working elsewhere. Kevin Graham, TD Tiz is back, baby. Kevin Graham, join us on youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. I can't really interact with you on Facebook. Our home is YouTube. That's where our serious traders are. youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. Come and join me and say I'm from TikTok. Sorry, I'm from Facebook, and I'll put you in our free $1,000 value prize. Oh, it's Nitz Farreld. Is that Nitz? Kevin Graham, is that Nitz Farreld? You're joking. Nitz Farreld is Kevin Graham. I love it. Now we know who Nitz Farreld is. Brilliant. The day trader, TDT. I'm not sure what you mean. Anyway. Yes, sir. Brilliant. It's Nitz Farreld. I love it. That's who Kevin Graham is. I love it. He's over there on Facebook. You stay there then. You'll find where you are. Right. Okay. Let's have a look. Apple moving up. Amazon. Okay. McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J, the day trader. Yeah, how are you, mate? Bit of a surprise. Right. Google, we're waiting for another dip. Robinhood. Let's have a little look here. Let me change that a minute. Google to... back to here. I've never seen that before. Let me just see if I move this screen around. It'll look. I've got my cursor. I've got my cursor stuck on the screen. Look at that. Have you ever seen that? Look. How is that possible? Look, my cursor's there on the screen. How bizarre is that? Oh well, I'll just leave it there. That's a bit weird. I've never seen that before. I don't think you can see it, but I can see it. Right, 9.90 now. Okay, we're just about, I can't believe it. We're just about, and this is a bear market rally, folks. I mean, flipping out. I can't wait for the bull market to start. If this is what a bear market rally's like. 52,483, so we're nearly at 500 now, and we will be. Because no matter what happens, I'm selling Robinhood in the next couple of minutes. So we will get there anyway. One way or another. Looking good. Oh, did it went there for a second. It went there for a second. Do you see that? Yeah, it went there for a second. 88. All right. Well, it's bound to come there in a second because we're going to make it one way or the other anyway. They're adding your Facebook viewers. They are indeed. We're on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, multiple websites, and of course our homepage. Home is YouTube. Martyn will appear butt naked if one day he decides to do a day of pure gambling. I've made about 10 scalp trades today, MSK. It's why I'm not wearing a tie. I've been scalp trading all day today, and the target is $200 a day, and we are exceeding that now. Precise entry, Ed. I'm all out. 9 got pressure on 20. Ed Nevius. $1,000 giveaway. Has everybody entered it? Just 11 days left to go. Let me share with you 1,022 tickets. Now, I'm from Belgium. Thank you very much indeed, Hassan. Lovely to have you. I know you told me before. I apologize for forgetting. 1,022. Let's refresh it. And remember, you can win with one ticket. 1,024. There we go, going up all the time. The wicks downs are violent today, says Sammy. There's the pullback. Ed Nevius, we're watching Robinhood now. I'm going to cancel my order in a second and just sell it at this. I'll give it another 5 minutes. But we're going to sell it regardless. We're going to sell. I might even sell all of it now, actually. 52, 494, 496. The idea is $200 a day. We want to get to 500. 498. We're going to take profit. It's our 10th. I forget how many scalp trades it's been today. It's been quite a lot. 89. 90. I am thinking now. Let me go into Robinhood. We've only got 35 minutes to go. I want to be out before the bell goes. So I'll go into my Roth IRA. And let me go into Robinhood on my Roth. Should I sell all of it? I was going to sell just half of it. Yeah, I'll sell half of it. That's my strategy. Let's stick to that. 89. Literally got a few more minutes to go. I can leave it a couple more minutes because it will go at 985. I think the I think the order is going to go at 985. No, 990. Hang on. Highest 990. Oh, 985. Yeah, 985. It's going to go at. I can leave it for a couple more seconds then. How's the level? How's the looping level on music going? Let me give you an update. Thank you very much for asking. We were at 3,200. Switch account from investor to Martyn Lucas. Let's have a little look. Let's have a look. We're watching. Okay. And okay, here we go. It's now at hasn't refreshed today, I don't think. 3,200. Yes, 3,200. It hasn't refreshed today. Look, I can share with you. Thank you ever so much. 800 hours to go, and we're there. There we go. Look, 3,200. So there you go, 3,200. This is what you've all been doing for me. Appreciate you very much indeed. We've got 800 hours to go. There might be a refreshment later on, but it hasn't refreshed yet. I wonder if Robinhood is running out of steam now. I can manually do it. This is its peak today, 990 since I started trailing it. I might, as I say, I will cancel it and do it manually in a moment. It looks like Tilray has bounced back from 236 support. Let's go back to Tilray and have a quick look. Yeah. I'm still down on it, 260. I'm not selling it yet. I've been looping for the past couple of days, 24/7. Thank you, Brickmark. Thank you so much indeed. And hopefully today it'll go to 3,300 when it refreshes. It may even go higher, but I would expect 100 hours is good. Did you all see my show yesterday in the newsletter? Did you all see it? I entertained 100 Texan ladies, and we had some cheerleaders there as well. Did you check it all out? Did you have a little look? There we go, 100 Texan ladies. Here's the video. If you didn't yet see it, I'll give you the link to it right now. Here we go. 100 Texan ladies. It was live in a church, actually, which was quite funny. It was in it. Well, I wouldn't say funny, but you know what I mean. There you go. I'll give you the link if you didn't watch it. There you go. I'll give it 3 times so you can see it pop up. There you go. There you go. 100 Texan ladies in the room. Okay. Come back to that in a moment. Robinhood. 990. 990. Any news from Virgin Galactic? Yes. Yes, I reported some news today. Did you not see it? Virgin Galactic flew today, and I gave my opinions on it. It flew today. I'll refresh it and share with you on the screen. Right, we're going up. Back to Robinhood. We're going to take some profits here. 991, 990. So yes, here we go. Here's the video. Look, this was just a short while ago. This was the Texan ladies. I gave you the link in the. Here's all these ladies here. Look, I gave you the link in the chat. So if you want to go and check that out, you can. There you go. See, look, I'm actually in a church, but we raised $811. $811 I raised in just by singing a couple of songs. They gave me $811 to make a film and spend the money on YouTube ads for our friends in Ukraine who need our support. So yes, we'll be doing that. I'm trying to get this video up for our guest, Best Soft. There you go. It's very difficult to try and open all the screens at once. There you go. Look, Virgin Galactic, just literally 2 hours ago, Virgin Galactic glide test. If you want to go and check it out, it's on my past live streams. There you go. If you want me to give you the link, I'll give you the link as well. There you go. That was what happened with Virgin Galactic, where I see the price going. I read some news for you. There it is. I'll give it you 3 times in the chat. And that's exactly what happened just 2 hours ago. And what my position of that is. Okay, let's go back now to Robinhood. We're taking some profits there now. The S&P, right, we're starting to cool off. You can see other stocks moving. So I'm going to do that manually now. Now, whether I'm going to sell half of it or all of it is the question. 990. I think I will sell just half of it. So here we go. Go over to my... Here's my position here. I'm going to sell all of it. No, I'm going to sell half of it. It's just calling off. So here we go. It's 985. So I'm going to cancel that. Trail stop. Cancel order. 30 shares. Cancel the order. Okay. Cancelled. And I'm going to trade, sell, a limit order, sell a limit order, 988. It'll go through it. It'll go through more than that. 990. Continue. Continue. Today, yes. And I'm going to do 35. 988, review the order, Roth, estimated credit, and sell. There you go, went for 990. I knew it would, so there we go, 990. I'm happy with that. I put 346 back in the bank. So I made today 2.5% profit on those shares I bought this morning, and we got that pump there. And I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. What I will do, that's now back in the bank. So now my Roth IRA is up to, there we go, 3,273 available cash now. I've got buy orders in everywhere. We've got the J&J earnings in the morning. So we want to have plenty of money on hand for a big drop or a big swing and breaking news. So what I'm going to do is use all that money for J&J. I'm going to place orders tonight, and I'm going to put a big order in for J&J at silly discounts. And if we get a flash crash, boom, 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 you'll collect them all and it'll come right back up again. That is my strategy for the morning at 6:45 a.m. So let's check now. There we go. All-time high on the brokerage. All-time high on the Roth IRA. And we've done it. 52,509. Leah, start the car. We can go out to dinner. There we go. Brilliant. 503. There we go. I like it. Happy with that? All right, so we're out. We're out of that now. We're staying in Robinhood, but we've just trimmed off the top. Okay, so let's come back to here a minute. And remember, it's not about how much money you make. It's the fact that you always make profits and don't lose it. Doesn't matter to me if Robinhood goes to $1 million a share. I couldn't care less. All I care about is I've made a profit consistently over and over again, tax-free in my Roth IRA, and that's all I need to do. Just keep doing that, and eventually, $1 million portfolio, $1 million Roth IRA just by scalp trading it over and over again, and then no tax to pay on it. Brilliant. Let's have a quick look here. I thought you were hired to do the full Monty when I saw the title. Did you see the show? Did you watch it? Martin, when looping on multiple tabs, the ads get watched and some are like 20 minutes. Does that count? Yes, it does, Mike. It does indeed. It really helps. Thank you so much. I can't click skip ads when on multiple windows. No, I'd imagine you can't. But it's all helps me enormously, Mike. Robinhood, no moat, unfortunately. What are the spreads like on Robinhood? The best person to ask for that would be Ed Nevius. He'll give you his opinion. Margin coming. Yeah, I don't know why you always say that, Arnold. I got no margin on anything. Anyway, the market manipulation on the SPY. Deep in the money. How are you? Deep in the money. Good to see you. Dewald Vosloo. When do you pay tax? When you take it out on your old day, the tax man never forgets. You don't pay tax on your Roth IRA. That's the point. Not only, this is how it works. The Roth IRA gives you an amount every year you can add. I've maxed out since Robinhood started it. It was 7,022. I maxed it out. It's 7,500 in 23. I've maxed it out. Here's my Roth. Look. Okay. There's my contributions. There's my contributions for 23, maxed out. Contributions for 22, maxed out. There's the match, $70 match for 22, $75 match for 23. The total balance now is 13.9. If you take the money out, they will take the 1% back, the match back. I think it's 5 years. I have no intention of taking it out. I can trade in and out as much as I want. I can't add any more money. I'm just trading with the money that's in there. And I will not pay any taxes as long as I leave it for 5 years. And I intend to leave it for 5 years. So every year now, I'll add 7.5 grand. Probably next year it will be 8. It will slowly go up. And there you go. There's why I sold Robinhood. It's now cooling off into the close. I'm out. I'm done. I've taken my profits. I bought at the bottom. I sold at the top. Done. And I will keep doing this over and over again. And eventually, I might want to take some money out. And all the profits and all the gains, I will pay no tax on it at all. It's a Roth IRA. I can trade it 1,000,000 times for free, in and out, over and over again. I reinvest the dividends, but manually. Always choose the best time to do it. And eventually, I could have $1,000,000 Roth IRA and never pay any tax on it at all. There you go. We have the same in South Africa. Only 2,000 a year allowed to add. Yes, exactly the same, but you won't pay tax on it. At least you won't in America and the UK. I don't know what the tax laws are in Africa, of course. I can't say for that. Ewan, the sell and buy is only 1 or 2 cent difference, no spread. Thank you, Eric B. The government wants the people to save money. Yes, of course. That's what you should be doing. Right, Robinhood's coming down. I took my profit. I'm out of it. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to buy it. My average has dropped to 968. If we can get it back down to 950, I'll buy it. I'll buy it with the profits I've just made and do it all over again. All right? Okay, brilliant. Okay. There she goes. Down she goes. Where she goes, nobody knows. Oh, it's been a great day today. All right, 20 minutes to go. We're looking to buy Lucid back. We bought Lucid here. We sold here. We took out. We sold it all down to 1 share. It's not one I want to keep. That's why I didn't sell half of it like Hood. It went down again, but that wasn't enough, quite honestly. I see it. It's got resistance here at 970. I still see it going to 6. So I'm going to buy some more back when it drops. SPCE, Virgin Galactic, we had a glide test today, and that's all it did. So again, the same thing. Everyone's scalping out of it. So again, the same thing. I've got my main brokerage position. If it suddenly does pump and does something great, then that's great. Off it goes. But there's my 336 shares. But my Roth, I've sold out of it, making money along the way. Now, it's all about J&J now. J&J is the big story of the morning. Let me go back to the homepage of the channel. give you all the link. This is the concert. If you want to check it out, I'll give it you a couple of times in the chat. This is when I entertained 100 Texan ladies on Saturday. It was a surprise event, and it was to raise money for Ukraine, and I made $811. Thank you very much for those of you that joined in and watched it. If you want to watch it repeat, you can. But the big story is J&J in the morning. Here we go. J&J is our show in the morning. We're going to be early. We're going to go live 45 minutes early. You don't want to miss it. Very, very important morning. And we want to make sure that we've got money on hand to buy any flash crash. It's one of the best companies in the world. You don't want to miss that. I'm up in my Roth and I'm up in my brokerage now, I think. Just on a wash in the brokerage. But so we're all good. We're making money. We got great dividends. It's 5% of my brokerage account. And it is 32% of my Roth. I don't mind having more. How low will you set your J&J price? I will share with you exactly. There's my J&J order. I've placed at 149. One. Just one. So what I'm going to do now is this. Now I've got all that money on hand. I'm going to set several. I'm going to set several buy orders. I'm going to set. Now I've made some more money. I don't think it's going to go to 149 anymore. So what I'm going to do is put 5 at 149. If I get the gift, we'll snap it up. But anything now under my average is a steal for me, because if I can lower my average is 160. Anything under that, I see it going up from here. It's a $250 stock this year, 280 if you're optimistic by the end of the year. So you can't lose on it, in my opinion. You can't lose on it, and you've got the dividends as well. It's a great dividend, and it's increased over like I don't know. It's like Coca-Cola, consistently increasing. So it's for me, it's a no-brainer. I've got enough. I'm already up on it. But if we get a flash crash in the morning, I will set anything under 160, to be quite honest with you. I will do that. I will do that, and I will post it on Twitter what my levels are for the morning. If you want to know, once I've researched it tonight and got a feel for it, I will post it on Twitter. I'll give you my Twitter account now. So if you want to see what I post, what my buy orders are, here's my Twitter account. I will post it later on today. There you go. I'll give it you 3 times so you can see it. There's my Twitter. I will post it at the end of the show, and I will have it all there for the morning. Peter Haydar. Hayer. Sorry, I beg your pardon. Mispronounced your name there. These NFTs are just a fan art, if that's okay. These NFTs are just fan art, if that's okay. It's taken ages to get them going. You can still put them on OpenSea in a new collection called fan art. Silver Surfer, I'm not sure what you mean. You've sent me those images. What are we doing with them? I've got OpenSea. Do you want me to put them on my account? What is it you want to do? Let me know. Okay, Google. We want to buy some more Google. Robinhood, we just sold it. There you go. It's coming back down now. That was right. I was happy with that. See if I can get it cheaper later. 15 minutes ago. Yep, still falling. Lucid. We want to catch it back down here. And I quite honestly don't care if I don't get it back, to be honest. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Apple. Okay, 15 minutes to go. How many are with me right now? There's 33 watching, 19 likes. If you could smash the like button, that would be really, really helpful. We're giving away a $1,000 in value prize with $100 in cash and 15 hours of 101 training with Ed Nevius. If you want to take part in that, I'll give you the link right now. It's martynlucas.com/giveaway. Here it is in the chat. You can do if you want. I have 15. Just need upscale them tomorrow and I'll send them over. Don't worry if you don't like them. Okay. You can do if you want. I have 15. Just need upscale them over tomorrow and I'll send them over. Okay. So what are you doing? Are you donating them to me? I mean, what exactly do you want to do? And they're your NFTs. What do you want? I want to be clear what you want me to do. Okay. Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J. We'll set some buy orders for the morning. Anything that lowers my average. Anything that takes my average down, I'll buy. Anything below that. I'm not dumb, I hit the thumb. Very, very good. Microsoft. Walmart. Tesco. What about Tesla? Did we get anything out? No. Didn't go. I couldn't buy any more today. Didn't make any sense. So we've held that. Yeah, I'll donate them, mate. They aren't super professional. If they sell, take us a tip. Okay. All right. So Silver Surfer, could you send me a message so I've got that? Just so I've got that confirmation that we've had this conversation. Just if you wouldn't mind, on Discord, just when you send them, say you are gifting them to me. Just so I have that, so it reminds me what we've said. Otherwise, I'll forget. I won't have a clue. And if for some reason in the future they sell and they make me $1 million, I will donate some money to your favorite charity. How's that? Should that happen, I want that to be said there. Okay. That's very nice of you. And if I ever make serious amount of money, then I will make a donation to your charity. How about that? Lucid. Going up. Apple. 10 minutes to go. I create an OpenSea account. Excellent. Did you look at my OpenSea account then, Eric? Did you do that? Did you go onto my OpenSea account? My charity is Andrew Grady Karev Fund. Make sure you donate the full amount to charity, Martin. Make sure you donate the full amount to UNO. What are you talking about? UNO. What are you talking about? UNO. I need to understand what you're saying. Make sure you donate the full amount to charity, Martin. What are you talking about? What are you referring to? J&J going up. Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, next year Energy, Enphase, Bitcoin. Come back to me, Ewan. I want to know what you're saying. Tilray, still out of the money. It's not worth it yet. Hood, starting to lose steam, so I sold that. If it makes to $1 million, donate it. Oh, I see. You're talking about my NFTs. Okay. I thought you were talking about the Ukraine gig yesterday. Okay. We are the charity, Ewan. All right. So to be clear, what is happening here is my mate, Silver Surfer, Andrew Grady, is donating some NFTs to me. I'm going to put them on my OpenSea. And if they make huge amounts of money in the future, I will donate them to I will donate some of the money to a charity as described, as said by Silver Surfer. Okay. Robinhood. We're out with that now. 9 minutes to go. I think we are. Yes, we are. We've broken another new all-time record. This is becoming quite consistent now, folks. 52,538. I'm not putting any more money in. Just making profits out of profits. Making money out of money. The plan is to bid $100,000 by the end of this year. I'm scalping if need be. I've done several scalps today. Excellent. Did you hear anything about Virgin Galactic today, about the flight? Yes, I did it. I covered it live. Did you watch it? I did it live. It's on the homepage of the YouTube channel. Idea it was a simulation run and it was successful. That's what you heard, is it? I've not got that confirmation. I thought possible they failed because they got to 50,000 feet and didn't release. I don't know. But that's the show for the morning. J&J earnings were going live in the morning. That's why I didn't own it or buy into it this morning. JP. Okay. There is the the earnings tomorrow morning going early. We're going 45 minutes early tomorrow morning for the J&J earnings. Be the first person to leave a comment. And make sure that you are checking my Twitter later on, because I'm going to put the amount that I'm going to spend and invest and what level as well, so you all know what I'm going to do. So if you want to know what my Twitter is, follow me on Twitter. And here is my Twitter. I will put in my buy orders. I will tell you exactly how much I'm going to buy and what levels. There is my Twitter. You don't want to miss it. Right. Yep. New all-time high going into the close. 7 minutes to go. The S&P 6.92. Virgin Galactic not touching it till it goes back down again. Barcoding Virgin Orbit. Rivian, no, it belongs at $9 now. Tesla, great. I'm not buying any more until it goes lower again. Lucid, I'm out of it. It's broken. It's broken resistance now. So I'm not going to chase it. I never buy a stock when it runs away. I only ever buy stocks when they go down. It's broken the resistance. So what we're looking for now is some people will take profits. It'll pump a little bit now. There it goes. So there we go. It's going to pump a little bit now. It'll rally a little bit. People will take profits, and I expect to see it lower, and I'll buy it back. But now we know it can break through that point. That's when I will come in. And if I can't, I don't care. If it runs away without me, it doesn't matter. But I've sold my position in Lucid. I've got my long-term position. This is just my Roth, remember. I've still got my long-term position. This is my Roth. And in fact, I don't know if I sold that. Let me just check. Have I sold it? Ah, yes. So I've still got my long-term position. There you go. It's down 12%. 51 shares. So if we run and run, that's great. I'll make some money. I forgot about that. There's my Roth position. So I'm out of that. I took my profits today, and I expect now it's broken through that resistance. I expect to see it run a little bit. People will sell off. It'll come back down. Oh, it's already has started. Look. And then I'll buy it back around about here. I'm quite happy to pay $7.70 for it. And I'll buy 200 shares this time, not 100. I'll buy 200 because I've made my profits from it. And if we can do that, then all the better. All right. Good evening all. Schifferler Stephen, how are you? 5 minutes to go. Last year I said sell in May and go away. You didn't know what it meant, but you felt the effect. What do you think this year? Last year I said sell in May and go away. You didn't know what I meant, but you felt the effect. What do you think this year? I'm not fully, sorry, Sensei, I'm not fully understanding your question. All right, not fully understanding it. So there we go. I'm going to give you now the J&J earnings. We're going live tomorrow early. What are the best stocks for day trading? Twitch, that's too big a question to answer. I'd need to share with you. Is VU high enough for a trim? No. No. I've already trimmed it. I'm not trimming it. I'm owning it. I'm just going to keep it. I'm not doing that. No. It's the highest I've been, 7%. 7%. The dividend is too good. Let me give our guest, Omolvin, who's over on Twitch, let me give him my our YouTube link where we are now. So Omolvin, please come and join me on YouTube and I'll explain it much easier to you. Happily do that. All right. There is my YouTube link. Come into YouTube. I'm live 10 hours a day, every day, consistently making money. We have a target of $200 a day. There's the link. Come on in and I'll introduce you to the family and you can learn all about what we're doing here. All right, there we go. So we're up today. This is brilliant. So I'm up 6%. I'm nearly $1,000 now on my S&P. Selling may go away, a term used for years in the markets. People sell before May because it's usually a bad month. Last year, you asked me the same. You didn't sell and didn't believe it, and we dumped. Quite honestly, I'm scalping so much anyway. I'm making so much money anyway with my dividends and my scalp trades. I don't quite honestly care if it goes down in May. I will use the profits to buy and lower the averages. So no, I'm just, I've got my long-term positions. I'm not selling. I'm not paying any taxes on any of those things. I want to keep at least a year for short-term gains. I want to only scalp my Roth IRA. And no, I'm not selling anything. Not this time, not this time, Ali, either. Hello, Kalsa. Is this... Aha! Are you the guy who just came over from Twitch? I will talk to you in a moment. We've got 1 minute to go. We're about to close the bell, and then I will do my best to help you. All right. So here we go. 1 minute to go. S&P space Tizro Hood. I'm out now. Excellent. Lucid. See if we can trim back. $30 to go. You trade and make 10, $20, so please stop telling us the same thing over and over. You trade and make 10, $20, please stop telling us the same thing over and over. If you don't like what I'm saying, Andrew, don't watch. I mean, what can I say? I'm sorry, you know, but I'm just sharing you what I'm doing. If you don't like it, I'm sorry. But this is my show. This is my money. This is what I'm trading. And the bell is in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you just said I'm only making 10 to 20 bucks. Well, I don't know how you come to that conclusion because I'm actually up a lot more than that. You said, Andrew Tronic said, you trade and make 10 to 20 bucks. Please stop telling us the same thing over and over. Well, actually, I'm up on my Roth IRA today. I'm up $113, so a lot more than 10 bucks there. I'm up $266 in my brokerage account. So by my reckoning, I'm up nearly $400 today. So I'm sorry, but you're not making any sense. And my portfolio is now 52,555. So I'm not quite sure what you're talking about. And I'm also got now in my Roth IRA 3,273 available cash for J&J in the morning. This morning I only had 1,500. So I'm not really sure where the 10, 20 bucks comes from. In my reckoning, I'm at least a few $100 up. Plus I've gained 1,500 in cash. So not quite sure what you mean by that. At the end of the day, this is my show and I'll say what I like. So, Kalsa, I'm going to help you. Scalping talk all the time. Well, we're here to make money. Are you not here to make money? We're here to make money. If you're not here to make money, you probably are watching the wrong show. What about the phrase, buy in May, baby, UNO? Easy does it, Tronics, indeed. Hassan L, space 4.5%. There goes Lucid, just like I said it would. There you go. According to somebody, Tronics, I'm repeating myself, but the fact of the matter is, there you go. I said Lucid would go back down. We got so many people that are married to the stock that only want to talk about hopiary and lose money every day. I don't understand why people are so married to stocks. I'm just here to make money and grow a channel. I don't understand why people get so silly and so married to stocks. We don't do that here. Anyway, we're here to make money. Simple as that. Right, and down goes Virgin Galactic right on the bell, as we expected it to. And Robinhood is up slightly, but only a little bit. But the big story of the evening, as I predicted, Lucid's going back down again. So I'll buy it, and I won't pay a penny more for it than $7.60 when it gets back down there. What happens if we drop 10, 20% in a week and you have deployed all the cash? I won't. I won't deploy all my cash. I won't, Ali. I will have all the money I need to buy a 20% drop. Calcit, Coke, J&J, Procter & Gamble dividends every month. Do you do this for a living? Yes. This is my full-time job. I'm here 10 hours a day. So let me just speak to Kassler just for a moment. Oh, here we go. Here's this clown again. These people just block. These people just block you for speaking the truth. You make $10 a day. Oh my gosh, what an idiot. One, I'm going to ignore you from now on because I've just showed you that I'm up today again, hundreds of dollars, and I am consistently. Look, 52,550. Yeah, I don't know what to say. So, Mike, can you just time out one? I've spent so much time talking to this guy, and he consistently talks rubbish, and I haven't got the time to talk to people talking absolute rubbish. So let me talk to Kassler a minute. So you asking me the question. So first of all, let's start from the beginning, just for your benefit. I'm actually an entertainer. My name is Martyn Lucas, and I go live 10 hours a day here on this channel. And the reason why I go live 10 hours a day is because I want everyone to see what I'm doing. So everything you see is real. It's that I aim to be the most truthful and honest YouTuber on YouTube. People can see my trades 10 hours a day live on the show in front of everyone. Okay? And I'm consistently making money. And the reason for that is I don't buy stocks, I buy companies. And I do research on the companies that I want to invest in, very much like what Warren Buffett does. But I've got two positions. I've got my scalp positions. That's when I just see a profit and take a profit. And I've got my long-term positions in my brokerage. Two very different strategies. Long-term investing, swing trading, and scalp trading all at the same time. And the idea is make consistent profits. And $200 a day is now really the minimum. We're trying to improve on that. And soon we're going to be making a lot more than $200 a day. I have no money coming in. At the moment, all I'm paying in is $4 every Monday. Every Monday, I pay in $4. That's it. $4. I have been doing that now for a month. And I'll share that with you on the screen. Here's my... here we go. Here's my... here it is. All I pay in is $4 a week. There it is. You started the deposit. You can see my account there, and I bring in $4. That is a consistent every week $4. That's all. That was a month ago. It was $1. It went to $2. It doubled to $4. And the reason for that is because all my money is here in Robinhood. I've only got literally a couple $100 in my checking account, and I pay every single penny in here. I never want to go down. I want to keep going up and up and up consistently. And so that's all I pay in. Okay? So when you listen to one earlier talking rubbish, he doesn't know what he's talking about. That's what I pay in, and I do my research. Now, I use Robinhood because it's a very simple platform to present the information to everybody. I do my research and read all the time when I'm off air. I'm studying. I'm in the studio 10 hours a day looking for the great companies to own. So I've got my long-term positions of companies that I want to own, and I earn dividends from those companies and steady growth. I don't sell those, which means I don't pay any tax on those. I just hold those. My Roth IRA is where I scalp trade in and out all the time. And again, I'll only really buy stocks I actually want to own unless I am in and out in minutes, like Lucid today, because Lucid lose money. It's not something I really want to own long term. So the answer to your question is which stocks to buy and sell. It takes a long time to learn. I've been doing it now for a year and a half, 10 hours a day for a year and a half. And when I first started investing, I was losing money all the time. Kind of on purpose, if you like. I lost $40,000 when I started. Let me share with you exactly what I mean. Here's my position. My Roth IRA now is an all-time high. My brokerage account is an all-time high. And my overall balance is now an all-time high. All started with just $5,000. And right now, all I'm doing is investing $4 a week. My only income is this show here. This is how I earn my living, from the members who watch the show. All right? You don't make any money from live videos. I only earn money from the members, and that's why 95% of the live viewers are members. Okay? Because they're supporting me to provide this service, and they follow me because it's real and honest and so on. So there you go. Still going up. Fantastic. Look at that. 562 now, another all-time high. And when I started investing right at the top of the market is because the reason why I did it was I'm actually the world piano man. This is my TV studio behind me, and I do live concerts. This is my music studio, and I toured all over the world, 195 countries. Yes, every country of the world. Over 37 years I've been doing it, and it all ended because of COVID. So I started going online and doing this show, and I wanted to help people. And I've raised over $1 million for charities on my music channel. 100% goes to the charities. I've helped people out. And I wanted to build a most honest, real channel on YouTube. And that's why I started. And I started right at the top of the market when it was overbought. Everything was crazy because of stimulus checks, COVID, everyone was buying in. And all I did when I started was losing money. But I never went anywhere. I experienced what it's like to use margin. I had $50,000 of margin. I built up a really big gain, kept investing, and then lost it all. There's my losses, look. Hang on, let me go to my, not that one, my brokerage account. Here we go. Here's my all-time losses, look. Look, $40,000 loss. Lost $40,000. See it? Unbelievable, right? Just kept losing money over and over again. But you never lose any money unless you exit the market. Well, I never exited the market. I stayed in. But I learned what it was to experience margin. I learned what it was to lose money. And that was great. I learned the hardest of lessons. And as you can see, from December, when I called the bottom of the market, I've been consistently up. I cleared my margin. $50,000 of margin, cleared it. If you like, the best way to explain it was, here I had, let's say I had 10 shares at $10. I now have 1 million shares at $1. So what I grew here, which took me like a year, I can get from here back up to here in days. 20% it will go up just when the war ends. When the Fed pivot, it'll go up 20%. We've had 20% days. We've had days when it's gone up 20%. These rises here. But this was in an oversold market. In an overbought market. Now things are very different. I can get from here to here within days. But I've got a lot more shares at much lower averages now than I had then. So I'm in a much stronger position, and I've learned what it feels like to lose. But rather than walking away, I've not gone anywhere. I've stayed in the market, and that's why now I'm getting some really big gains. That's why I'm consistently making money. And if you look at my year to date, look, I'm up 9.995% consistently now, every day, making money. $3,500, but according to the clowns who sometimes come, some of the clowns that come in here, who try to bring me down, but they'll never do it. They say, "Oh, you're only making $10 a day, and you're putting your own money in." Well, there it is on the screen. You can see I've made $3,494, and that's profit. If you put money in, it doesn't show you've made money. Your balance just goes up. That shows I've made money consistently. So you can work out how much money I've made. There's no hiding it. You can see there how much money I've made here in the last week, in the last month. There's the real money. You can see it consistently there. So there's no $10 a day like some of our clowns say. All right. Now then, I am here to help you. I want to help people, right? So I go live 10 hours a day. If I wanted to make money like Meet Kevin, I just make videos and then go live half an hour a day. I go live 10 hours a day because I want you to see what I'm doing in front of you. You can watch every move I make, and that's what I do. And if that interests you, there you go. There goes Lucid. Look, no surprise. If that interests you, then, oops, sorry, you're on the wrong screen. Let me change the screen a minute. Bring it back to the trading screen. There you go. Lucid's going down just like I said it would. And I'll buy it when it comes back down here. If that interests you, then join me live join me live every day. I'd love to invite you to become a member. That's the only way I make any money from the membership. But I don't just take your money. Block him, Martin. I can't block the restream. What's being said? Let me have a look. Warren Buffett made his bones investing in penny stocks and funneling profits to stable, but he traded. Nobody got rich investing. Thank you, Mike, for letting me know. I think we got another clown coming in from Facebook. Martin the paper trader. Oh my God. This is my real money. And he calls himself Sam Connery. So, yeah, I'll block you. You're an idiot. Let me go. There we go. Thank you for letting me know. This isn't paper money. This is my real money. And thank you ever so much for alerting me to that. Let's have a look. People get frustrated when they see me making money consistently. For some reason, they get all stupid. Rather than trying to learn from each other, they just want to spend their lives in their mum's back bedroom talking rubbish. Anyway, let's have a look. Idiots say, yeah, ignore those people. We've deleted all that now. I'll be back tomorrow too. Calsa, you're welcome. What hours do you stream, and is it in UK time? If you want to know when I go live, this is how you do it. Look on the homepage of my YouTube channel. I have a TV guide. I go live every day at the same time. In fact, I haven't posted tomorrow's show. That's the first time I've not done it. I've just realized that. I go live here, upcoming live streams here. And I'm going to post next week's streams here when I finish. I haven't done it because I've been scalp trading all day. I'm live all day, every day. And if you look here on the upcoming live streams, they are all here. All right. I'm live tomorrow morning at 6:45. That will show you in your time zone. Okay. Think of that as a TV guide. That tells you what I'm doing. Mike, if they pay attention, they wouldn't. That's right, but they don't pay. They don't pay attention. They just come in to talk silly. Most reliable in the world, not only from YouTube. Thank you very much indeed, Hassan. Yep, you know it. You recover your losses. You're not a big difference in a scalp and day trade, but please don't repeat every 5 minutes. And Andrew Tronics, I'm doing what's right for my members and my viewers. You're not a member, so I'm sorry. My priority is to my members. Good afternoon, everyone. Mika Flemons, good afternoon to you. Congratulations, Martin. All times high every day. Every day, yep. It is. Every day we're making all-time highs. And I guess the more money I make, the more people it upsets who are just in their back bedrooms going nowhere. You're doing great, Hassan. Thank you very much indeed for that. Okay, we've got rid of that clown. Let's have a look here. I just want to make this point here. Even though we blocked this person, cleared his margin at the market bottom, he'd be at 100 grand right now if he kept it. Yes, I would. He's absolutely right. I bet that surprised you, Sam, hasn't it? You're absolutely right. If I had kept my margin, I would have been up 100 grand, but I'm better off without it. And I'll explain why. Over December, I got COVID and I thought, what if I died? I have asthma and I could have died with COVID. I got very ill and it worried me having a portfolio because at the end of the day, I know my portfolio is going to be 100 grand anyway. It's going to be 200 grand by next year without any margin, without any risk. I cleared my margin, not because I'm margin called, because I decided to do so because I didn't want the stress for my wife. I didn't want my wife worrying because my wife doesn't know how my account works. So I cleared it, even though I could have kept it. So actually, it makes me smarter than you think I am. Because if I'd kept it, I would have been up 100 grand. But it wouldn't have been my 100 grand. This is my real money. I would be paying interest on the money. The interest is going up. I don't care. I don't need margin. I can make money from my own money. So I sold it all, cleared all my margin, because I can make money on my own now. I don't need Robinhood's money. That's why I cleared my margin, for the security and benefit of my wife, the stability of my account, the fact that I don't pay any interest. I don't need any margin. And thank you very much indeed, folks. We've just gained another 12 subscribers during this show. So everyone subscribing, thank you so much indeed. 7,240, just gone up 12. Thank you very much indeed. So that's why. So you're absolutely right, Sam. I did sell and I would have been up 100 grand, but it would not have been my money. I would rather own what I've got with my own money and pay no interest. That's a much better way of doing it. Anyway, okay, that's great info. Thank you very much. But do you know any day trading stocks? I day trade the same stocks as I long-term hold. I will explain. I've just explained that, and I'll explain it more in detail. I've got the same stocks in my long-term investment as I do in my scalp investments. That I'm not looking for rubbish stocks. I'm not looking for, Mullins and Bed Bath and Beyond and trashy stocks. I can day trade, scalp trade the best companies in the world. Tesla, Microsoft, Google, Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, McDonald's. Why would you scalp trade rubbish? Scalp trade great stocks. That way you make money. You make money whether it goes up, down, left and right. So you just need to keep following me to see what I'm doing. But don't follow me. Do your own research. All I will do is help you in any way I can. I have about £4,000 in funds. Congratulations. I started with 5 grand and here I am today at 50 plus. So you can make money on $1. You don't need a lot of money. Some people have $1, some people have millions. It's the same principle. I have some money in funds. I can't give you any more of my time now because I have to focus on the members. But if you want to become a member, I can answer all your questions, review stocks for you. We've got our cash giveaways, many, many more things, but I have to focus on my members. I'm sure you understand. All right. Nobody got rich investing old man stocks, said Sam Connery. You're talking nonsense. That's completely ridiculous. Make a charity for the foundation, the Golden Pen Foundation, says JP. MSK, yeah, I think he's a bit daft, isn't he? You expect clowns with attitude, you expect to grow your channel. Andrew Tronics, yes, I have the highest engagement channel on YouTube when it comes to live viewers are members, even more than Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast has 9% of his live viewers are members. I have 95% of my live viewers are members. So yes, I am growing my channel at a ever increasing rate by being honest and not allowing clowns like you to ruin the show. You're absolutely right. And there we go. This is entertaining. That's what it's all about. I asked all of you whether I should be honest and deal with these clowns, and you all said yes. So I answer everyone. He has no stress of financial responsibility. I'll just put that on the screen. Sam says he has no stress and financial responsibility. I have no responsibility. I only bought my own home, have no car loan, ran one night in Vegas, the second biggest one-night theatre show in the UK, travelled to 195 countries, voted by Elton John as the world piano man. You're absolutely right, Sam. I've got no financial responsibilities at all. Never done anything. Never been anywhere, mate. Well, I won't put up with foolishness. No, absolutely. Jealousy brings haters. Yeah, you're right, Crag, and we'll call them out on it. What's going on with all these trolls? As the channel gets bigger and we make more money, this is what happens. And we just ignore them now. I will answer everyone's question. I'll be completely honest with anyone. But if they start saying I'm making up stuff, when clearly on the screen you can see it, I will call them out. I will give them a chance to stop talking rubbish. If they continue talking rubbish, we just ban them and they end up going nowhere and we'll carry on growing without anybody. Without them. We don't need them. MSK, Life Insurance says, Bill, how are you, Bill? Got rid of the idiots. Nice. Yeah, Malk, they're all gone. Indeed. Bluefin, because of other people use margin, we make money. Yeah, I don't use margin anymore. I decided not to, because if you can't make money from your own money, then you're doing something wrong. I swing trade Tesla, said Eric B. Crypto has been going sideways for a few days. Normally means altcoins will have a run soon. Thank you for that. Let me open up the broadcast lounge. If Ali wants to call in, broadcast lounge is now open to any of the members. If you want to call in, this is the members, not the idiots, just the members. You can call in and be on our show. Call in and be live on the show. Let's have a look. MSK, we are here because we are all mature adults here and happy to debate. We do not all agree with each other, but we are respectful in our disagreements on opposing views. Correct, MSK. What did I come back to, Sammy? Chaos, mate. You are, yes, but respectful. Thank you, MSK. Eric B and Tesla can swing. Yes, I've been taking trades from Tesla for the last week. Sammy says, ignore the baseless remarks, Martin. No point addressing those. Attention. I answer everyone, Sammy. I give everyone a voice, and I allow them to bury themselves. And there you go. You are very rude. Do you think so, Andrew? I don't think so. I just don't put up with your nonsense, and you don't like it. So too bad. No way you have been away. What's going on here? Just ignore those rotten apples, Hassan. Well, I give everyone the chance, don't I? Okay, so there we go. We're done for the day. Let's have a look where we are now. So we're at an all-time high on my brokerage now. That's great. We're an all-time high on my Roth IRA. That's great. And yes, we're an all-time high, $52,550. Absolutely brilliant. Does anyone have a TradingView referral? No, I don't. I don't. Made 7.5 grand today, says Mohammed Kahine. With Tilray, I hope cannabis sector moves. Legislation soon will approve, hopefully. Hopefully you're right there. It's my show. I should have a referral. Why don't I not have a referral for TradingView? Has anybody got one? Let's see if someone can make some money. There we go. Virgin Galactic going back down. It's no surprise today. The people all got carried away saying we're going to get a 10% or 20% swing today. I said we won't. It's not enough news, and we didn't. It's coming back down again. Lucid also coming back down again now, and I said that would happen. So I took my profits there. So J&J. We're preparing for the morning. In the morning, we'll be back for the earnings for J&J. Here it is. We're going live early in the morning. This is tomorrow morning. We're going to go live 45 minutes early. Let me give you the link here. Now, who would like to win $1,000 value, $100 in cash, and 15 hours of one-on-one training from Ed Nevius, our scalp trader? If so, we are giving away the prize here, right now. Okay, there we go. There is the giveaway. It's free to enter, free for all. Even the clowns on Facebook can win this if they want to. There you go. Let's have a quick look and let's see. Let's see if we've gained any more tickets today. You can win with one ticket, or you can have as many as you want by doing the actions on that page. 1,024 is now 1,000 and probably 24. There you go, 24. I only checked it half an hour ago. There you go. So if you want to take part in that, you can. I think we're done. I have to get off now because I've got to make some videos and prepare my strategy for the morning for J&J. If you want to be part of J&J tomorrow, there it is. Join us early. I'm going to set some buy orders, all-time lows, and we're going to see what happens in the morning. And but we are going to, I'm sure, pick up something. I can't wait, actually. If it goes down, I'm going to buy some more. If it goes up, I can trim off the top. Either way round, we'll make some money. Here he is. There's the beautiful Rocket Man. How's it going? Any chance we can get back to space? SBC and the thoughts about what we think the glide fight will take place. Gutted it didn't go ahead today. I said, yeah, well, I said it wouldn't pop, and it didn't. They got to 50,000 feet. They didn't deploy. I said that. That's why I didn't buy it. And it's yeah, I'm sorry about that, but there it is. MSK Super Chat. What about a Super Chat? Let's have a look. You and your friends who have had the TradingView account previously all get $10 for their purchase of any monthly subscription, or $30. There we go. Thanks, Sensei. But I suppose they are treading carefully, which makes sense. It's a rocket company. Takes its time. It's all about patience. Sam, lovely to see you tonight. Have a great night, everyone. See you, Ed, old mate. A super chat? What's that? I don't know what you mean, MSK. Ed might have a referral to TradingView. Sam Cook. A change is going to come. I've got Stand By Me, Sam Cook. I can do Sam Cook Stand By Me. Do you want to hear that voice? I can do that. Oh, the night has come. The land is dark, and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. Oh, I won't shed a tear, just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, won't you stand? Stand by me. All right. Stand by me. There you go. Darling, darling, de Weld, Vosloo. Oh, that's good. There you go. 2 accounts with Robinhood, 1 Roth. What's the question you're asking there, Ed? Might a referral? Have a great one, everyone. What's going on? J&J, the family company. Right, we're just about to end the show. Not so loud, you are waking up the kids. Well, you've got the volume control. I can't do much about that. All right, we've just hit a new all-time high again. 52,545,000. Another all-time high. There we go. It's breaking up again. Excellent stuff. That was pretty fire. Chew Dingo. Thank you very much indeed, mate. Appreciate you very much indeed. Right. It's time to get off. It's time to get out of here. So what we're going to do... Hang on a minute. What's happened here? The screen has gone a little bit slower. Here we go. Change that. There we go. Oh, look at that. I just had a super chat. Hang on, that's got to be worth another song. We got a super chat. $15. Thank you so much indeed. I'm going to do something for you. I got to do some Rod Stewart. Thank you so much indeed. Let me celebrate. We got a super chat here. Thank you very much. MSK. Cheers, mate. Here's a super chat. Yay! Get in. Thank you ever so much. Thanks, mate, for that. I appreciate it a lot. So I'm gonna do a bit of what should I do for you? I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do some what's he called? Rod Stewart. Wake up, Maggie, I think I got something to say to you. Late at night and I think I've got something to say to you. Wake up, Maggie. I've forgotten the bloody words. I can't even remember the words. I am sailing home again. Cross the sea, stormy waters. I forgot the words. Never mind. Thank you so much indeed for that. I got another super chat as well from Eric B. Thank you, Eric B, for that one as well. Thank you, mate. Appreciate you ever so much indeed. Thank you. There you go, another one. Boom, there we go. Thank you ever so much, Eric. The piano is missing yet. Need the piano. Well, we did a concert yesterday. I was entertaining 100 ladies. This was the concert here. What's happening with my screen right now? There you go. Can you see it here? This was 100 Texan ladies. Hang on a minute. Where's it gone? Computer's going very weird this morning. Look at that. It's all over the place. Anyway, can you see all these ladies waving their hands in the air? We had 50. I don't know why that's doing that. Bit strange. Anyway. 15 100 Texan ladies. Martyn, there's a fake Discord trying to scam me. Right, okay. So basically what happens is on Discord, there are lots of people pretending to be me. And I ban them all the time. However, which means they can't speak during the live. They can't be in the server. But what they can do is they can talk to you because they message you, right? I ban them, and what you have to do is on Discord, don't reply to anyone. I will never ever message you, ever. I only reply to your comments. So it's very easy to see which is the real me on Discord. Very, very easy. I'll show you. I'll share with you how you know. Let me share this with you right now. You can see this is the real me because they use the same logo, the same name, all this stuff. But you know which is the real me because if you look on my role, all you've got to do is check my role. All right? All you got to do is check my role. Look. See? I've got role of owner. They don't have the role of the owner, so they are not me. That's how you know it's the real me. And secondly, I never message anyone ever. But people, there's over 100 on TikTok, there's people on Facebook and Twitter. Everyone's trying to pretend to be me for some silly reason. I ban them everywhere. They never get anywhere. They're just wasting their time. But so if anyone messages you, it's not me. I don't message anyone. I only reply to you, okay? So if anyone messages you, selling you stuff, I don't sell you anything, all right? The scammers can't message anywhere. They're just messaging you personally. They can't talk in any of the channels. They can do it once. They can come into a channel and I just ban them. But they can get your details and message you personally, all right? And then I just ban them, okay? All right, someone made a personal Facebook account impersonating your likeness and asking for Facebook viewers to join a private trading subscription. Yeah, they do it all the time. They do it all the time. The Friday music show. Yeah, Friday. Did you? That was a good night, that wasn't it? I'm glad you tuned in for that. Now then. It's time for me to get off now. Just going to change this screen a minute. That's better. Okay, change that. And got a few little glitches here this afternoon. Anyway, I'm going to get off. Let me read all your comments. Elvit has lost. There's a lot of impersonators also. Thank you, Eric B. Yeah, but they don't try and steal their money, though. That's the difference, though. That's the difference. What's the chances of Mullen Automotive doing a reverse split? And they do. And if they do, when's it going to be? They've done the reverse split. Oh, no, that was Arrival. Sorry. Arrival did the reverse split. Martyn, just for a laugh, I'd love to hear you sing Orville's song, I Wish I Could Fly. Oh, yeah. Are you going to give me a super chat, Pete Barker? Because you're not a member. You're not a member. If I do it, you've got to give me a super chat because you're not even a member, Pete Barker. You ready? Okay, you're not even a member. So I will do if I could fly, but you've got to give me a super chat. I only know one word, one line. If I could fly, I'm the bird. If I could fly. That's all you're getting. You're not even a bloody member, you cheeky bugger, coming in here making requests for songs. Ooh, I don't know what's all about. Nice, Ali. Sense is a double-edged sword. A credit utilization less than 10% is good, but much unused credit will hurt your score as well. Hang on. Let me read this. Sammy, let me read this. What's being said here? Private trading subscription. A credit utilization less than 10%. A credit utilization less than 10% is good, but too much unused credit will hurt your score as well. No, I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that at all because I've had probably $1 million worth of credit and don't use any of it. And my score was 999 on Experian. It's the highest score you can have in Britain. And I've got a high score here as well. And I have plenty of credit that I don't use. So I don't agree with that. If you have $1 million of credit and don't use it, that's not an issue at all. That's not an issue. You need to have it revolving. That may be where you maybe some confusion coming in. You need to have it revolving. So in other words, I pay everything on credit cards and pay it off all the time. But some credit cards are unlimited amounts, and my credit score's perfect. So yeah. So I don't think that's the case. Pete Parker. I don't know the song. I've heard of it, but I just can't remember the word. I mean, I can't remember the words. Was the strangling of a cat? That was Orville. Keaton S. That was Orville. Right, I've got to get out of here. All right, let's get out of here. Day trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio. I'm up 0.69 on my main portfolio. So here we go. Up 0.69%. There you go, up. I'll put a minute on the clock. And let's see who wins today. Computer's running a bit slow right now. So we're going to get out of here. I'm going to see who's the winner. Up 0.69. Start posting your score. I think some of you are behind the stream. Press the like button and bring yourself up to date. I think there may be some of you behind the stream. Any scores? You're all a bit behind the stream, I think, today. Right, I've got to get off. If I'm not going to get any scores, I don't know where everybody's gone. I think everyone's behind. I've got to get out of here. I've got to prepare for J&J in the morning. If you want to know my what I'm going to invest on in the morning with J&J, here is my Twitter account. If you want to follow me on Twitter, I will post there as soon as I've made my mind up on what I'm going to do. Eric B, up 0.74. Nice one. Up 0.74, up 0.62. Eric B goes into the lead. Eric B is our winner so far. Just waiting to hear for anybody else. We're going to call that a win then for Eric. Thank you very much for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. Excellent stuff indeed. Well done indeed. And I'm going to get out of here now. I've got to prepare for J&J in the morning. The computer's running a bit slow. It's because I've made all those extra videos today. That's what's going on here. All right. Let's run the credits. We're out of here. See you back in the morning. And here we go. Let's roll the credits. Gee-dooby-doo. And the stars of our show this afternoon. We had some super chats from MSK, Eric B. Thank you very much indeed for that. Appreciate it a lot. And lots of followers today. Actually, I'm going to get rid of that because that's all the scammers on Twitch. So we're not going to give them any publicity at all. So there you go. We'll get rid of that. So sorry about that, but I've hidden the scammers that appear on Twitch. We get rid of those. You missed my comments. I went to the bank today to deposit $2,000. Asking me all sorts of questions. Told them to sod off. You told them to sod off. I went to the bank today to deposit $2,000. They started asking me all sorts of questions. I told them to sod off. Interesting approach. See you in the morning. I think that's funny. What else did you say? Yeah, I'll hold off until I spend some more. Okay, that's funny. He went to the bank. Can you remind me what time you come on tomorrow, please? Look on the homepage of the channel, and it's in your time zone. It's 45 minutes earlier than I normally go live. So go, here is the link for the event in the morning. If you use this, it'll give it to you in your time zone. Okay, so all you got to do is go on the homepage of the YouTube channel, and all my upcoming live streams are there, right at the top, and it will tell you what time I go live in your time zone. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you ever so much for tuning in, folks. I'll see you back in the morning. We're going live early. J&J, join me on Twitter if you want to know what I'm going to post, what my buy-ins are going to be. But I'm ready for a flash crash in the morning. Very excited about it. We'll see how it all pans out. So between now and then, take care of yourselves, your crypto, your money, and of course, as always, more importantly, take care of each other. See you back in the morning. It's going to be great. It's earnings season. Gonna get excited. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.